If you're under 10K a month, I question whether you actually understand what is your highest income generating task. Welcome to today's session. If you've struggled to grow your online business, then this is going to really help you out. One of the biggest problems that you're going to have growing an online business in today's market is you're probably doing too many things. You're trying to be on every single social media channel and your focus is diluted. So in today's session, I'm going to help you focus on what I call your highest income generating task so that you can see sales consistently month in, month out, week in, week out, day in, day out. If we haven't met before, my name's Ed JC Smith. Unlike other people in the coaching consultancy industry, I grew my coaching business to over $1 million in less than 7 months. And as a byproduct of that, I've helped thousands of coaches, consultants get clients consistently using our system, which is 100% guaranteed ROI. If you want to click the link, you can book a session and see how that works for you and your business. With that being said, let me focus on what's your highest income generating task. So let me get my screen up. Okay. So the question you've got to ask yourself right now and write it down is, what is the highest income generating task to stabilize your business right now? Now, sometimes people think building an Instagram account is going to stabilize their business, but it's going to take a long time, right? Or, building a YouTube channel. This is a long haul. Look how long I've been doing it. And, look at my current subscriber list. It's low. It's long haul stuff. All right. What else could you do? A podcast, long haul. All right. Then, we specialize in coaching consultancy. So a lot of people get into that market. They want to help someone. They've had a problem themselves. Most people start with a career and then move into it. And the reason that they get stuck going full time is because they can never actually earn enough money. Or if you're just going straight out and you wanted to make it work, you need to make money quickest in the fastest way possible. Otherwise, there's a lot of stress. If you can't make the bills, love don't pay those bills, right? You've got to make the cash quick in the quickest way possible. And sometimes when I say quick, this is not some sort of, money scam or anything like that. It's because you're selling your services. If you're a coach consultant, you have a service that other people want to buy, your information, all right? You know how to give your gift to other people. Where people fail in this industry is client acquisition. You can make money quickly with an acquisition process by getting high paid clients that are willing to pay, $1,000, $2,000, $4,000 for an 8 to 12 week program, which you're going to deliver live. So it's not uncommon for our clients to put in 10K, 20K in under a month, that's quick money. And that's only possible today, based on systems and structures and a process. So going back to the question, what is the highest income generating task to stabilize your business? You got to get clear on that. So if your business is at, 10K a month already, then that would indicate that you have a current task that is generating that consistently. If you're under 10K a month, I question whether you actually understand what is your highest income generating task. Let me be clear and straight to the point what that is. If you're a service-based business trying to sell an online business, right, that is sales. You have to focus on sales. The quicker you focus on sales, month in, month out, day in, day out, week in, week out, obviously the more that's going to grow. So, all right, the question, what is the highest income generating task to stabilize your business? Answer, spend 90% of your time doing that and keep it aligned with this, and keep aligned with this as you grow. Because as you start to grow as an entrepreneur, you can get pulled into different spaces within your business. It's very easy to get distracted and diluted on your focus. Writing a book in today's market, unless you have 20K, 30K, 40K consistent months, I would not recommend writing a book. I would not recommend doing a podcast unless you have 100 to 200K monthly incomes month. Why? Because a PR, positioning, which is what a podcast tool is what that's good for. You need to get sales in. So how do we get sales in the quickest way possible? What I personally recommend is get one ad sorted so you can get cold traffic sorted. Because if you're relying on organic platforms, they're going to take too long. If you can get a cold ad working into cold traffic, you're collecting email addresses and phone numbers, then you're building an email list. An email list you can transition into a sale much quicker than someone just following your account. You can't take followers to the bank. Have you tried it? It doesn't work. You can't take likes to the bank. You can't take comments to the bank. And so when you focus on an ad first, getting that ad to work, and if you've tried an ad before and it hasn't worked, it's because of what you wrote in the ad and the fact that you're not aligned with your client's problem, or you don't know how to target the ad, or you don't know how to structure the ad so that it works. It's not that ads don't work. I'm so bored of listening to people saying, oh, an ad doesn't work. We spend hundreds of thousands per month on ads. They work if you put in the right message within the ad. Ads will always work. Whatever platform you use, All right, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, ads are the quickest way to grow your business, because if you don't work out how to convert cold traffic into a potential client that wants to buy from you, you are stuck at the mercy of every social media platform building an organic platform, which is not cool, right? Get a simple ad, give away a one piece of content so you don't have to spend your life creating content, right? One download so that you can collect an email address and phone number, and then transition to a sales process. What we recommend for specifically coaches and consultants is a consultation process, so that you align if they are the right client for you or not. You knock out their objections to the next stage, and if they are the right client, then you onboard them, and if they're not, then you give them a strategy of tell them what they need to grow their business, or what they need to get out of stress, or what they need to get rid of depression, and this is what they need. The how to get that result is in your program. And actually, I know sometimes people get back at that because they think it's inauthentic, but the actual what-based information, this is what you need to get the outcome, is highly valuable. You're not telling them how to fix it. This is what you need. This is the process. This is the system. This is the structure. This is the path. This is the method. This is the way you need to go. That's very powerful. They leave with a structure of what to do, and then it's their choice of whether they want to work with you or not. It's up to them. It's the most authentic way to do it in today's market. And then you start creating, obviously you sell, what I recommend is you sell one-to-one first so that you can validate and get confident on your offer. If you can't sell at one-to-one level, you can't sell one-to-many, and you won't sell a digital asset. Most people, again, try and create a digital asset straight off the back. And then they create this asset and they spend all this time working on a program, and then no one actually takes the program because they can't sell for shit, right? So you actually have to be able to sell and understand your client's objections and problems so that you can map the solution to those problems so that they actually want to work with you. Once you've done this, what we're going to do is create a signature program, create that on the go. And that's exactly what we do with our clients. And that's how we're able to get massive client results with our clients. If you haven't checked out some of our case studies on the channel alone, it'll transform your life. But look, so as I said, I covered some highest income generating tasks, get an ad working in cold traffic today. If you don't do that, you are going to be spending the rest of your time trying to create an organic platform, which I'll be straight with you. If you're a young entrepreneur just starting out, you've got no hope. It's doomed out there. A little ad, converting, getting email address and phone numbers, building an email list, transition into a sales process. If you focus 90% of your time doing that, I guarantee you that would be the quickest way to generate over 100K in less than 6 months. However, if you've got better ideas and the internet is full of people that have no business, have no idea, that know exactly what they're doing, yet they have no results, comment below, let me know I'm wrong. I love a debate. But that being said, smash up subscribe if you're new to the channel. I've got loads of great content coming out if you have an online business and you're struggling to grow that, or maybe it's the mindset element as well. I'm happy to take content recommendations that you need. And if you haven't already, booked a session with one of my team and they can take you through what I call a get client strategy game plan, individually designed for you. If we end up working together, it's 100% guaranteed ROI because we're the best at what we do. And that means that if you don't get your ROI in the time period that we work with you, we'll support you till you do, or else you don't pay. Again, you have to be aligned. You have to be a coach or consultant with information. If we don't think we can help you, we'll never, offer you any further support to do that. But regardless of whether we work together or not, get your get client strategy free plan completely on us. It's in the link below. Smash up the subscribe, and I'll see you soon.